When incidents hit, IT teams do not need more alerts. They need clarity. Most tools add noise, false positives stack up, dashboards sit in silos. When the real issue appears, teams scramble because nothing is connected. Modern incident management should not feel like a ticket treadmill. It should feel like a self-sustaining flywheel. One built for speed, proactive visibility, and continuous learning. Start with proactive detection and smart alert grouping that surfaces anomalies and cuts the noise. Use a living service map that shows what is at risk across multiple applications and infrastructure. Let routing happen intelligently, so escalation turns into coordinated action. Give every agent full context and AI-suggested guidance that removes guesswork. Swarm key collaborators automatically to resolve faster and keep everyone in the know. Close the loop with AI-powered reviews that strengthen knowledge. And keep workflows and runbooks up to date. When every incident feeds insight back into the system, resolution time drops, downtime shrinks, and teams move with confidence. While reaction times are important in ITSM, the ultimate goal is to create an IT environment that learns from each signal and resolves issues, even before users are aware of them. Freshservice, a fresh approach to uncomplicating incident management.